Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install a DEB file on Ubuntu. A DEB file is nothing more than an archived file. You can easily open and view its content. Double-click on the DEB file. We can see that the archive contains 3 files. Control archive. It contains the maintainer scripts and the package metadata such as the package name, version, dependencies. Data archive. It contains the actual files to install. Debian binary. It contains the package format version number. Now, we will go through the different methods to install the DEB file. The simplest way to install a DEB file is using the apt command, which is installed by default on Ubuntu. Now, open the terminal. Run the following commands to install. The dpkg package provides the low-level infrastructure for handling Debian software packages. It is installed by default on Ubuntu. We can now install a DEB file using the following commands. GDebi is software that allows you to install local DEB packages, resolving and installing the DEB dependencies. It also contains a graphical user interface. First, you can install GDebi using the following command in your terminal. Now, right-click on the DEB file you want to install and choose Open with Other Application. On the next window, choose GDebi Package Installer. Finally, click the Install Package button to install the DEB file. As GDebi is already installed, we can run the following command to install the DEB file in the terminal. This command will unpack and install the content.